Before there was tourism, there were mines. And the railroad here was built in the 1880s, primarily to move minerals to the Pacific coast, notably the port of Antofagasta in neighboring Chile. But the mines went belly up by the 1940s, and as a result, there was a lot of rolling stock that was, of course, not disposed of, and hence this is what you see: a rather surreal scene in the sun and the cold in a railroad cemetery. And this is a perfunctory first stop for anyone taking a tour onto the salt flats, because many of these cars and engines date to the late 1800s. Well, I decided to climb up inside this old train engine. There's not much in here. This old locomotive engine has seen a lot of history pass. There's no telling over the decades that this engine was in use how much salt, how much tin, how much of all manner of minerals, magnesium, this engine helped transport out of here. We are above 12,000 feet, and you feel it in every step. The positive side is, unlike being in La Paz or some other place where it's hilly, you don't have to climb. It's really a one-of-a-kind place where trains representative of an important period in Bolivia's history came to die.